gonna do prisoner like everybody else. While you are the Elden Ring. Not yet. Make Germa. I'm not making Germa. Grr, bark, bark, bark. Don't bark at me, you freaks. I'm not making Germa. I'm making... Jesus. Whoa. It says Germa. I'm not making Germa, guys. Stop harassing me. Germa, stop. This character already looks horrible. Oh my gosh. Why is it already like horrible? We need him. You're not getting Germa. I'm not making Germa. Make Germa. Why does she look like this? Why? Why is her nose so bricked up? Why is it like that? Why do these all suck? Oh my gosh! Germa, tell that person to stop. The freaking vocal cords out. Where you going? That's a wall! Okay, I guess that guy's stupid. Open the gates! Whoa. What is that, guys? It's you look like that. Eternal tree of life. It's the wise mystical tree. You open the fart gates for real. Ha! Huzzah! Adventure awaits! Huh? Oh, what the crap! Okay, whoa! It's a fellow. Oh, look at it. Shh, shh, shh. I gotta be quiet. Shh. Sneak up on it. Sneak up on it. Take this! Ha! Yeah! Ah! I just got scared. Whoa. Whoa, dude. Ah! Caught me with my pants down there. You breathing hard. I can hear your nostrils. My controller disconnected. Freak out. Okay. Ha 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 ha. I got the treasure. Take that.
Danny DeVito as Wario.
Danny DeVito. The Mario movie looks great. Danny DeVito should be Wario. He'd be good.
It'd be like the second movie.
Hi, Melina. Smelling of these nuts. Remember when chat was going off and wanting me to make Germa? Man, that was a long time ago.
All I remember is the kissing.
What kissing? What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm out of the way! No, horse! Oh, you killed my horse and me. You killed us both. He's just a big troll. Like he's picking his nose, like on the up there on the bridge, and then he's like, order somebody down there, better go do my job. Right in your kneecap. Just like everything in the game.
My guts are grumbling. I've got to snaffle something. Flesh. I need flesh.
Blimey! What one's come out of me?